66 at Northeast Philadelphia, 61 at Doylestown, 59. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kent County and central Delaware, central Sussex County and southern Delaware until 6:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located over Milford, or 13 miles north of Georgetown, and moving north at 65 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southern Delaware. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex.